You fit get ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely pidgin.
My country people on a day, on an area, on a side. Hope say everything dey okay for una corner. And the gbedu, hope say the gbedu dey hit for the right corner where it's supposed to be hit. And they happy say today na democracy day. But for this our Ogbonge show, we go talk about something where be say many people not they like to talk about it, but then we won't talk this afternoon because this one is strong well and it full ground. The matter be say you as husband and wife, if you cheat on your man as a girl or you cheat on your woman, you go say may you tell your partner, you go say may you tell say see what you do, say you go do kurukere waka. But not be only me there, yeah, me and our honorable brother, the man where they all sport gidigba for this our TMC radio. In the year with me, I beg we country people.
Country people, happy Democracy Day one more time, and especially we want to get a full match for this matter when it concerns people when they cheat anyhow. Want to sit down with us as we will do the matter together.
Now, you know say matter will be like this. You get the way they talk and they say food wey sweet na money kill am. Why I talk like that be say if you wan get better relationship, e get some kind things wey you need to do as a man or a woman make the relationship for better, make for go forward. So now my guy dey here. Who's your guy? See my guy for here. So for this matter now, if you cheat on your girlfriend, abi if man cheat on his girlfriend, man no call you, may not go hold me for neck. If man cheat for a girlfriend, like he go do kurukere waka for backyard, he go say make the man tell the woman wetin get to abeg talk.
For the sake of love, you need to tell the woman so that the love go work out very well.
You need to tell the woman.
Yes, you need to tell her because according to the Holy Bible, the Holy Book, it says love cover multitude of sins. So maybe I need to tell her so that the love will come be strong and bond together well.
But in a situation, for matter be say, you can't tell your partner, you can't tell your wife, say see what you do. What if that will call you to another thing, even if he forgive you? Like, you cheat on woman now, for example. The woman got to say, this one when you cheat on me, so I forgive you, but I not go let am go like that. Me too, I go do my own. How that relationship what is better? How you go take one?
You know, say anybody when he wants to start to cheat or when they cheat, now two options. Either they catch you today or they catch you tomorrow. That be the option when they cheat. You don't see anybody when continue to cheat when he succeed this time.
Well, some people they get
how long you get away with them?
Our African tradition, they don't to believe say if man go do kurukere waka for backyard say na cheating. They don't dey call that cheating. They believe say for nature or for life, man supposed to dey follow different women. So that situation now that one you dey believe in, so they ask for forgiveness all the time.
Not be that one that they believe in. Just because of say make love, some people say justice and equity, make it flow. You need to just tell and say babe, honey, darling, sweetie, incame, obimo, any name when you want call. Just tell and say see, you get what you just saw. I just go do one or two things. I just say make I tell you, may not hear for people mad. I tell you because I love you, but it not go happen again.
That kind of thing. See, love get the way it be. Just because you love somebody, not mean say you will feel stay for some kind of thing.
I love you, no me say I don't make mistake.
Oh, so mistake, cheating and mistake.
Yes,
now.
some of them are mistake.
Some of them.
You get some when you just they crush on you naturally.
Some of them when you call the mistake, will call it to belle or will call it to another thing, or you call big disease come house. You call the ask for forgiveness.
No, you no go that side. You only talk say whether I good make I tell my partner. That mean they say me officially go tell my partner say say I take waka o, say the matter be o, say everything be, me go tell am.
Ha! That one, he just get the way just a day.
No, I no dey speak from other people, I dey speak from myself, and I dey speak to the general public, make dem understand say all these things sometimes e dey bring love come, because you know say e get some kind matter wey you discuss with your partner. You might not say mo just cheat am small, outside cheating, get some matter wey you discuss with am. When other people go dey tell you say say I be o, say I be, you don already know, e no dey surprise you again. So then make as e just better say you just tell am before people go know, before people come dey use am against you. You don already tell am, because na because of the love na make you dey tell am everything. Na that be the see this truth dey hard to comprehend, but na that be the truth.
Sometimes some truth e good make person talk am, but some truth e get direction wey e dey go wey e no dey end well. Men, if woman cheat, they say my husband, okay sorry say I do this thing I no go do am again. For Benin culture, for this our Edo state, for Benin, they say if woman go do kurukere for outside, e come back come meet the man, say e get some traditional thing wey the woman gats to do. So for this one now, you go forgive your wife. Say if your wife do kurukere waka come meet you, come tell you say abeg go forgive me.
Okay, make I give you some examples. You never see where a man okay, my reason, some men when they are abroad, they leave their wife here, and during their staying abroad, before they come, their wife don go chook leg for one or two places for outside. The man go still come, the wife go still tell am say, see, based on how you talk, the tradition, when you know dey, sad the matter happen or sad the matter happen, sad the matter happen, you still see where some of the men go do the what they call the traditional rites. They go still accept the woman. That na be the way. No be say I dey justify say cheating e dey good, no, I no dey justify am say man or woman go waka for outside, but this one go make una know say una no dey hide. If I no fit hide say I cheat on my wife, e mean say I no fit hide anything from my wife, because one of the things wey man dey hide pass to him wife or him girlfriend, as the case may be, na the aspect wey e get to do with cheating.
As you cheat on, for instance, man come cheat on him wife now.
Yes.
As you don cheat on her, the woman too fit still go cheat, go ask for forgiveness.
The woman fit go cheat, ask for forgiveness. No, that one no give her the right to go cheat.
Okay,
because
now
the reason why I fit tell am say I don cheat na based on say I dey tell her so that she no go fall for the same mistake when I fall.
Shey na mistake you
no, that make see mistake no dey happen two times. That make she need to know where I for miss her so that she no go miss am.
See, sometimes we learn from experience. That's
no, experience is not the best teacher. You don't need to enter fire before you know how fire take dey burn person.
Experience good well.
Yeah, experience good, but it's not the best teacher.
It is sweet. If you experience some things,
you fit experience some things, you fit not come out inside the experience. Two of us.
So you fit man fit cheat.
No, I dey
ask for forgiveness.
No,
but woman no fit cheat.
I dey look the aspect say as a man if I cheat. I know they say man no fit cheat. I dey look the aspect of as a man if I cheat, I go tell my wife. I dey look the aspect. I dey look that aspect say as a man if I cheat, me go tell my wife. That be the aspect wey me dey look am for. So I go tell am so that she go know, so that the mistake or the reason why I cheat, so that she no make the mistake. Maybe na the girl dey give me green light and I got mistake.
Man no dey give woman green light.
Yeah, so that when the man dey give her green light, she go quick come tell me for her, so that I will know how to handle.
When the woman dey give you green light as a man,
that be the mistake.
Why not go tell your wife say, okay, my wife get this woman wey dey give me green light but I no wan give am face, so more just forget the thing, man no make mistake.
And because you see,
man fit make mistake, woman no fit.
At that time when that woman dey give me that green light, I never know say e go end for cheating.
Nigerian culture wey dey support polygamy, wey dey support say man, they even believe say man by nature for real life is supposed to dey waka with different women. So that one now they fit justify say the man a mistake, but the woman will not be mistake.
Now listen, I be for your ear say man go outside, and I be for another person ear say woman go outside. Use one left ear take hear, use the other ear take hear. The matter when we dey say if me cheat na, for example, I cheat, I go tell my wife say, honey, darling, sweetheart, my love, my game, Obi, I don't make mistake, so I take make the mistake, so that peace go reign, so that she go understand say I love her. If I fit tell my wife say I cheat, I no go hide my bank account for my wife. You see the process. I no go hide my ATM pin for my wife, because that cheating I had pass to express, give your partner say you dey cheat.
Man na human being, woman na woman being. So why woman no fit make the mistake? This one wey you just dey talk say woman man fit cheat, cut us okay na mistake. Cause mind you, some men no be even mistake o, dem know wetin dem dey do. Dem know, as in e dey their mind say okay, dem get this woman for house, dem love the woman, na better thing. Then you come go cheat. Now you come dey tell me say for unity, for peace to reign, you come tell the woman say na mistake. Woman no fit make that same mistake.
Woman, no, she don't see this thing. Now, if woman make that kind of mistake, now wrong thing. Now, see part of the mistakes when they dey. Make I give you an example. If as I did now, I can go cheat on my wife for her side, I don't make the mistake. What you go make us get peace for that house? If the woman come know say I don't cheat, you know the problem don't in that house. Yes or no?
But
when I don't tell her, but if I tell her and she come hear her for Mr. Zmat, how she go take handle?
See,
you don't know say some girls
no,
they now see one of the mistakes when they make matches. Some girls they that they like married men.
Oh, so that one be the excuse.
You don't, so those are part of the mistakes when man they face
woman
for a matrimonial home.
Woman
Because
woman
as
like
man marry, if you see the dress in normal dressing, that one be say e still dey. But if woman, you see why e dey hard for woman not, woman get reasons not to cheat, because as woman marry, reasons dey, it mode of dressing go change. So if me cheat, I go tell my wife, but that one no justify, that one no give anybody the right, the license, the how people dey speak up for many grammar say may go cheating dey very 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 bad, and it depend on the partner how they take dey handle am. Everybody get the way go take handle issues. The way me go take handle a cheating wife different from the way Mr. W go take handle a cheating wife. The way you go take handle a cheating husband different from the way Sister C go take handle cheating husband. Everybody get how they go take handle the issue, in the sense that you feel some people feel handle one, it go lead to divorce, break up, marriage go jabrata, but some go lead to say the marriage. I don't see where one woman dey fight the husband, they go dey fight one girl for her side say he get affair with the husband. Another woman tell her say he na affair your husband get with this one, now you dey complain for far. Every person wey dey compound na husband dey gogora, why you come dey complain? So you see the way she take handle, I say go sit down. You see say anybody no good, now manage we dey manage them. You see the way she take handle her own, so that peace go e go reign. So it depend on how you take handle.
Okay, you my country people, the matter no dey hot, e don dey go gbas. But before then, we wan go on a quick break. We'll be right back.
You fit get ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely pidgin.
Okay, we don't come back for the matter. The question now be say, if you cheat on your partner, e good say when you come back and talk say see wetin you do. You as a woman wey go waka kurikere waka for outside, whether na mistake o, whether you know, whether e come from your mind or not o, e good say make you come back, come tell your bobo, come tell your honey pie say see wetin you do. So if una na me are you dey here, if your wife go cheat on you, come back and tell you say e good, you go like am?
I no go like am.
Why?
Because number one, the trust when I get for her, I don't lose her.
First, you first talk say na mistake. If man cheat come house say na mistake, woman no fit make that kind of mistake. So now you don't talk say you no go like am. Why? Woman no be human being.
Now I no go like am in the sense, but it go make the home become happy.
But wait, woman na human being.
Yes, the blood, water,
everything. Na flesh, human being. The difference be say they call am womb and the man called
man when he get womb, that the woman wey go fit recreate.
So why you no fit accept the fact say woman make mistake for outside, come talk say okay my husband see wetin I do, or whether na mistake or not? Why you no feel accept am as a husband or partner, boyfriend? Why?
As a husband, as a partner, You know, like I tell you, everybody get the way go take handle, and everybody get the way go take absorber. Now, as for me, I get the way I'll take handle, I get the way I'll take absorber.
How?
How?
Yes.
In
how?
the sense that if woman go cheat, e no good. They know they justify that one at all. No, they know the man go cheat, e no good. Woman go cheat, e no good. They know they justify am. Nobody they tell you say cheating good, na part of life. Now we know say they say custom. Now with custom and tradition for school, they say na way of life. Now the way cheating no be way of life. Now what I mean is say if you get wife when he go cheat, when he can't tell you, now two ways say you go look at. Number one, you go look at it and say she love me, now make her cheat. And number two, you look for the reason why to make her cheat, because person not just carry go cheat.
Many reasons dey why people dey cheat.
And it must be.
So the question now be say, if she come back or tell you say I go do carry waka, you go agree?
No, I don't agree.
Why?
Based on my society, what I do.
So society still get influence.
Yes, society get influence.
If man waka for outside, go chocolate for outside na enjoyment. If woman do am na okpo sabi how they call am.
You don't by yourself answer the question.
Na lie. See that one see I want to talk am. It's not right. Now so you go talk am. If it's matter don serious, or you go talk say it's not right. E no dey okay. Woman wey come tell you as a man say, okay, oh, my husband, my love, see wetin I do. E mean say she loves you, na make she come tell you shey. But now you no wan gree. If man do am mistake, if woman do the same mistake, issue dey. Why? Na be the main koko.
I don't give you the main koko why. Our surrounding, our environment, our custom, our tradition, no make am dey right. Now the clear matter me dey give you so.
You feel say na
you don't see where man marry 2-3 wives, then they stay one house. You never see am. All of them they stay one house. You don't see am. In day abi no day, e dey. You don't see where woman marry 3 husbands, then they stay one.
Some places they do am. I don't read them. I don't read them. The woman marry 3 husbands. No, all of them they stay the same house.
For reality purpose and for our audience purpose, you don't hear am. Say they stay that house. That woman marry 3 husbands. Now here the 3 husbands they stay the same house.
See,
you don't hear am. Now you don't see am.
Gender equality.
You don't see am.
Una dey use woman just because na woman no fit do this thing.
You don't see am before. Now you know as you don't.
I know
wetin I mean. Because of our society. You know say this one na some ogbonge truth when some people no dey like take. Now some truth wey some people no dey like take. Now see, we know we still dey on and say we know they justify cheating. Nobody they say it good, but because of our environment. Now, okay, make I give you an example now. If one house now you dey opposite one house, today sister A come find that brother, tomorrow sister B come find that brother, next tomorrow sister D like that. Wetin people wey dey the area dey talk, that brother more realistic, that brother na sharp guy, na correct guy. That brother now Duga, they go heal her. But now make sister A, make one brother come find her today, make brother W come find her tomorrow, brother E go find her. Wait till they talk.
See,
environmental society. Now that for English, they call say society bias. You see, environment bias. So for because me they look based on our immediate environment. Now they look at when boys go see okay, you never see when more bigger in our clear area now. You see when me and you na friends, just normal friends, we go out, you know say, and you know my girlfriend, you know say based on our environment, you fit still give me another of your friend I think two of us na our environment. But make my girlfriend and another person go out, make that my friend, that boy no fit try and give another boy benefit, he go defend that for me. Because na my friend dey.
So I don't understand environment.
Yes,
so environment
you must put based on, I look based on our immediate environment.
You fit tell your wife or your partner say you cheat, but make woman not even try and cheat at all. Not to talk of say can't talk. Let me wetin you dey talk about.
Nah, you dey answer the question by
no, I won't understand because we be human beings.
It take a happy home, a lovely home, a calm home, a romantic home, a sexy home, and a beautiful home, and a peaceful home for a man to come and tell his wife that, honey, dear, sweetheart, honey, bad. I made a mistake last night.
See, now they talk all this English, all this one way they speak. This thing be say, woman wey come tell a partner say, see wetin I do. Now because she loves the man.
Yes.
Now because her heart still dey the relationship, her heart still dey her home. She wan settle her home. That make she even get the mind, the boldness. Because you first talk say, man wey cheat come tell a wife, if it na mistake. Woman too dey make mistake. If it be say circumstances, that's why you both talk am, fit surround her cheating. And if it even be say na even the man even still cause am.
Yes, it's possible.
Hey.
Now make we see land give you say it depends on the man when she dey report herself give. That one still dey. Some men dey when you go report yourself give say you dey cheat. Yeah? WWE don start his ass. Fight, e don dey beat the woman's ass. Some men dey, dem go waka comot. Some men dey, dem try say dem no hear. That na different ways to say handle. You never see when boy he come hear say girlfriend dey that house dey cheat with another boy. He go that house go dey fight am. Or some girls go hear say their boyfriend dey cheat, he go dey fight the other girl. Why some go just feel like say e no concern me, make e come.
See, na love, and that word called love na very strong thing. No be just ordinary.
That make you need to express yourself. That no, I know that make you need to express yourself to your partner say you cheat.
But you as a man, you no wan accept the fact say she cheat and she can't tell you so now.
No, I don't tell you say. I don't tell you say.
No, I don't tell you say. You don't agree say woman suppose
I don't accept. I don't accept the. No. Let's say you get me. I don't come up for the fact say woman no fit cheat or some women no dey cheat like that. We dey look the matter on
whether e good. Yes.
Make it tell to talk. You know, me dey tell you say e good to talk. Now me dey tell you say e good to talk so that the man go know wetin he wan do on time. So that he go know if he go call family or the action wey he wan take. And e better say you hear from your partner mouth say either the man or the woman say see wetin happen than you go dey hear for outside. You never see when some men or some women go cheat. They call this as the blackmail them. You never see am. So to avoid that blackmail, why you just talk and come out. So that when the person wan call the blackmail you there, but your husband go say wetin dey do this for. He okay will tell am say see when the matter happens, when it happens. But to justify the matter, e no good make any partner or any gender cheat. But in case it can't happen, it could make you tell your partner.
Anyway, my country people, whether you do this cheating matter, whether na mistake or whether any item happen, I still stand on the ground say, if you know say you love your partner, first of all, you don't even good make you even cheat. Cheating is even wrong.
Yes, cheating is wrong.
It's no, dey healthy.
That's
because
that's,
if you go cheat and carry belle come out.
That's why you need to look for faithful partner like us.
Hey, so you yourself, you dey faithful like this. Back on your bed, say, ask whether you dey faithful.
After faithfulness, after me, that be the word faithfulness.
You sure? No, you sure? You know everybody dey cover face. So.
No, I just tell you say after me. That be the word faithfulness. So we don't know where you did. Whether you did after the faithfulness.
Now who they catch with him?
I don't know that one.
Now who they catch with him? So now even if you dey happen for your side, you are not.
No, I must tell you.
Now you and your
woman
know that one.
You know I'm a calm man.
Hey.
I'm a romantic man.
Hey.
I'm a nice man. I'm a sexy man.
Hey.
Not gonna blush on me.
Hey. So now so the matter just be whether you do it deliberate or not. It good say when you come out play. With clean mind, clean conscience, come tell your partner say, see wetin I do, sasa if you fit talk how you take do am sha. But e good make you come out come tell your partner. And not even go cheat at all sef. No cheat because belle dey dey, disease dey dey, STD, HIV, many things dey accompany you having something with someone else that you not trust with another person wey you no even trust. Na only your partner you fit talk okay you trust more. So make una keep una self safe, talk true, talk truth e get how truth take dey cover some certain things for inside house. So my people, na here we go end our show, this ogbonge show, this cheating matter. But I no dey here, na me and my guy Ifunanya na dey studio.
Are you blushing on me? Yes, my country people, una fit leave una comment for all our social media platform for Facebook, TMC TV, Instagram, TMC._TV. If you still go YouTube, you'll see drop your comment for TMC TV. Now there we are YouTube. Follow us for Radio Garden. Just search TMC Radio.
And if you follow us for our website, if you go our website www.tlivemedia.com to follow and hear all our ogbonge tori wetin we dey do for studio. My people, una well done.
You fit get ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely pidgin.